Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Tooth Talk. Guys, today I've got Irfan Ehsan. Everyone knows about him. He's the top photographer in Pakistan and on everyone's wish list. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
क्या हाल है आपके?
Alhamdulillah, all good.
Whenever there is a wedding या कोई bride होती है जिसने अपनी wedding plan करनी होती है, so on top there she's got her dress, then she's got her makeup artist, and then she's got her photographer
Right.
in line in that wish list.
Right.
Smile या को अक्सर इग्नोर किया जाता है.
And it is, I think it's the most important element in the shoot. You know, we say we can do everything. We can change the color of your dress. We can slim you, but we can't put a smile on your face. We can't add the chemistry. So lots of time I tell people smile, and they're very hesitant. And I can understand, you know, not everybody has the perfect nature. I came here for my scaling and polishing,
Yes.
but I ended up fixing my smile, and I feel like a new man now.
Exactly.
And I think all the couples, who are naturally, blessed to have perfect nature, great. Like, if you have anything that needs fixed, I think it's a good idea to fix it before the shoot, because we can't Photoshop the smile. And dental aesthetics, Dr. Shazad and Dr. Nimad have done a wonderful job. I think you need to invest in yourself, and fixing your smile, I think it is one of the most important. I feel like
Yes,
we're
but
doing
and
a
this is
different
an
one.
investment for life.
It
I mean,
is.
when you're investing on your makeup, that's just for the day.
Right,
And
right.
this smile, you invest
This
in it,
is-
it's gonna last you forever.
For forever, and the confidence one has, the self-assurance, I think that's priceless.
Yeah.
And I'm wondering why I waited so long. So, guys, check them out. I mean, they're doing a wonderful job. So, Dr. Nimra, a happy and a confident bride or groom for that matter, they are the most important ingredient in the shoot. और आजकल brides, they are spending लाखों on the makeup जो 2-3 घंटे बाद it is down the drain.
Yeah.
So I'm really, really happy to see that for almost the same amount of money, you can get something that is going to be with you for the rest of your life.
Yes.
So I wholeheartedly recommend everybody to get, their smile fixed for the same amount of money that is going to go down the drain. So guys, put things in context and get your smile fixed.
Yeah. And another thing I want to add is that कुछ लोगों में हम quick fix कर सकते हैं, but if people need alignment, अच्छा we get brides के हमारी शादी है, हमारे दांत fix करते हैं, वो समझते हैं कि कोई जादू की छड़ी है डॉक्टर के पास
नहीं तो मेरे ख्याल में तो है डॉक्टर आपके छड़ी में है, उन्होंने मुझे जो पिक्चर दिखाई थी रिश्ता टूटने वाली.
But some procedures take around 6 to 8 months. For
हाँ,
example,
so
like
you
alignment.
हाँ,
So
so
you
you
need to
have
plan
to-
that. No, it's not like you can just come like a day or two before के
Yeah. So you need to plan ahead.
Yeah.
Cleaning, etc. It takes 30 minutes, but fixing, aligning, and all
Aligning
these
that
things
takes
are
time,
there.
but and if you want to fix the shape, okay, that like we fixed your shape of your teeth, that can be done in one appointment. Whitening can be done in one appointment, but if your teeth are severely malaligned, obviously the dentist has no जादू की छड़ी कि वो
Yeah.
एक दिन में आपके
That's a
align करा
time-taking
देगा.
procedure.
Only that procedure you should at least come 6 to 8 months before.
Yeah.
बाकी ये जो एक simple procedure like teeth whitening ही अगर bride करा ले अपनी
That
birthday से
makes
पहले,
a world
that
of
makes
difference. And there's some brides, they say post में fix कर ले, but we can't fix everything in post. A real natural, because the confidence you have when you have good teeth, that cannot be photoshopped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And even that confidence when you're taking pictures, वो आपकी pictures भी enhance, so
Absolutely.
you're smiling with confidence.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So initially, like when you came in for your cleaning and teeth whitening, ये एक simple सा procedure है, hardly takes 30 minutes, right?
Right.
And even उसी से कितना confidence बंदे का boost हो जाता है.
You look in the mirror and you wonder कि यार, why did I not come here earlier? So this is, like I said, people invest millions on the dress, several lakhs on the makeup, जो रात को मुंह धोया और खत्म. But they ignore something so important, so vital, that is going to be with you every day.
Yes.
So, it's
Yeah,
it's
as
a
they say,
no-brainer.
smile lift is the best face lift.
Right, absolutely. That's the most important element of your personality. If you smile, if you feel confident, you look confident, you give positive vibes. So, hats off to you guys.
So I hope the future brides and grooms, they
And
will-
I would request you guys, to float a special package for our brides,
Yeah.
the ones and the couple, the grooms who are about to get married. They need to invest themselves, in themselves. So maybe you guys have a special package for them.
Yes.
You know, they come here for the cleaning, fixing veneers, so many different options,
Yes.
so many minimally invasive options that you guys have.
So anyone who comes through you, we can maybe
Yeah,
have
so
like
send me some flyers and
flyers
we
and
would
then-
be happy because I think a smiley nation and a healthy nation, it just gives positive vibes.
Yes. So now I hope you'll enjoy your smile now.
Yes,
more
yes. I already, like I said, I looked in the mirror and I was like, wow, is that really me? So thank you so much, guys.
Chale, thank you so much
You're welcome.
for joining us.
Unbelievable. Is it really me? और अभी polishing और finishing
Yes.
होनी है.
Yes, and they'll look much natural and much better after the finishing and polishing.
Amazing. Seriously, hands down amazing.